Now children, this is the last topic of this chapter. Now here children, you are supposed to know the different type of life cycle pattern that is present in the angiosperms. Okay, so there are, if you see the screen children, you can come to know there are three types of life patterns. What are the three types of life patterns? Haplontic, diplontic and haplodiplontic. Now if you are facing a little bit of difficulty children, the very beautiful and well illustrated diagrams are given in your book. Just turn to page number 140. Now what is happening in an haplontic cycle children? Just see the plant is a gametophyte. Now this gametophyte undergoes gametogenesis. What do you mean by gametogenesis? Formation of gametes. Gamete and genesis means formation. So if you remember the alternation of generation children, the gametophyte always produces gamete. Enteridium, archegonium. Do you remember? Okay. Now what happens is after gametogenesis, it forms the two gametes they fuse, and when the two gametes fuse, it forms a zygote. Now this zygote is 2NA member that you know. Obviously, N male gamete and N female gamete, both of them fusing, and it forms the zygote. Now this zygote undergoes meiosis and forms the spores, and these spores they germinate to form gametophyte. So if the diagram which is given on the screen children, it's the same diagram which is given in your book. The only difference is that here it is on the screen you can see a color diagram, whereas in your book it is a black and white diagram. But I would always advise you to follow your book for that matter. Okay. Now such type of life cycles you find it in algae such as volvox, Spirogyra, etc. Not in angiosperms. Then come to the second one. The second one is diplontic. Now just move to the third diagram on the screen, diplontic. Now if you see this diagram children, the plant body is a sporophyte. So this 2NA number, again refer to the diagram which is there in your book. Now this sporophyte, it undergoes, because it is 2NA number, it has to form the gametes, so it undergoes meiosis to form the gamete. The gametes they fuse to form a zygote. Zygote again becomes 2N, and this zygote develops into a sporophyte. So such type of life cycle is called diplontic life cycle children, because here the main plant body is diploid. Now this type of life cycle you find it in gymnosperms and angiosperms. Now come to the last one. It is a hybrid between haplontic and diplontic. That is why it is called haplodiplontic. So what is happening is the plant body is a sporophyte. Then this sporophyte, it undergoes meiosis. It forms after meiosis children. It does not form gametes. It forms the spores. That spores germinate to form gametophyte. So gametophyte has n number of chromosomes. Now this gametophyte undergoes gametogenesis, forms males and female gametes that fuse to form zygote, and zygote again becomes 2NA member. So, and this zygote then forms the sporophyte. So children, it is actually a combination of both sporophyte and gametophyte. In the first two diagrams children, if you see, only one of the generation is evident. But here both the generations, they are marking their importance. They are showing that both of them are important. So this is actually the three types of life cycle children, or in plant kingdom. And with this we finish with this chapter also. So next week when I'm meeting children, don't forget to click the photograph and post it on the email ID group. The next time when we are meeting, we start with the plant kingdom chapter. Okay. So see you then. Take care. Goodbye.